If your search is not working, this fixes it. No need to rebuild. So click on Start, type in Settings, left click. Once you're in here, come down to the left hand side to Privacy and Security, left click. Scroll down to your Find Search. Here you go, left click. And what you want to do first is set it to Classic, so scroll all the way down, change it back to Classic. We'll only search your documents, your pictures and music, and nothing else. If you don't want it searching your online files as well, turn this one off. Turn Work and Scroll Count off. Scroll up here as well to Search History, turn that one off. Click on Clear. Also turn off the Show Highlighted Searches. This fixes 90% of the problems out there. If that still didn't fix your problem, close this. Go down to Start, left click, type in Run, type in services.msc, click OK. Should see this come up. So we're going to scroll down to Windows Search. So scroll on down. You can press W on your keyboard to skip to the W section. We're in alphabetical order. Right click this one. Go to Properties. And then click Stop Search. Wait for the indexing to stop. And then start it back up again. That forces Windows to start a fresh reindex of all your files. Click OK. As you can see, search is fast again. You type in like Paint. It now works. We reset the classic mode, cleared out the junk, turned off searching online because that slows you down as well. If you found this fixed your PC, don't stop here. Check out the next video on screen. It's the perfect product and we'll take your PC even further, and I'll see you over there.